Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Alliance resources in Lands of Jail. Alliance resources in Lands of Jail depend on the activity of all members and how well your Alliance control its territory. To check your resources, go to the Territory section inside your Alliance. Here, you see your inventory, bonuses, territory buildings, special buildings, and tactical supplies. The main way to claim Alliance resources is through the Resource Redemption option in the Territory menu. The amount you can redeem depends on the buildings in your Alliance territory, like factories and canistries, and the contributions of Alliance members during events. Availability depends on your server. Some servers may not have redemption open yet. When it is active, simply select the resources you want to claim and redeem them. Being in an active alliance and participating in alliance events ensures you maximize the resources you can collect. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.